Welcome to Baruch Education, the channel that keeps you updated with important current affairs and general knowledge. Books and authors. Question 1. Who is the author of the book Mystic Arunachal, Tales from India's Hidden Frontier? Correct answer is option A, Major Rahul Jha. Mystic Arunachal is authored by Major Rahul Jha, who serves as ADC to the Governor of Arunachal Pradesh. The book, launched in 2025 by Governor K.T. Patnaik and CM Pema Khandu, contains 10 fictional stories inspired by the lived experiences and vibrant cultures of Arunachal Pradesh's indigenous communities. Internal security. Question 2. What is the primary objective of the Financial Action Task Force? Correct answer is option C, to combat money laundering, terror financing, and threats to the international financial system. The Financial Action Task Force, FATF, is an international watchdog that sets standards and promotes effective implementation of legal, regulatory, and operational measures to combat money laundering, terrorist financing, and other threats to the integrity of the global financial system. Sports. Question 3. At which sporting event did Arunachal Pradesh's Kyon Gumja and Debya Tagu win medals in 2025? Correct answer is option A, Sindoor Tilangana Sub-Junior Open Badminton Championships. Kyon Gumja and Debya Tagu won silver in under 13 doubles and individual medals in the singles category at the Sindoor Tilangana Sub-Junior Open Badminton Championships held in Hyderabad. Their achievements were acknowledged by the Arunachal State Badminton Association. International relations. Question 4. Which countries were elected as the president and co-president of the International Solar Alliance for the term 2024 to 2026? Correct answer is option B, India and France. At the 7th session of the ISA Assembly held in November 2024 in New Delhi, India was elected as the president and France as the co-president of the International Solar Alliance for the 2024 to 2026 term. Schemes. Question 5. What is the main objective of the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana launched by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, to offer vocational training and skill certification to youth. The Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana is a flagship initiative aimed at empowering youth with industrial relevant skills, providing short-term skill training and nationally recognized certification, thereby increasing their employability and enhancing the skills ecosystem in India. Person in news. Question 6. Who is credited with introducing free education and the midday meal scheme in government schools in India? Correct answer is option D, K. Kamaraj. K. Kamaraj, the former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, is credited with pioneering free education and introducing the midday meal scheme in schools during the 1950s. His reforms significantly improved school enrollment and became a model later adopted across India. Biology. Question 7. In 2025, India's first DNA bank for Snow Region Wildlife was set up in which zoo? Correct answer is option B, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park. Located in Darjeeling, Padmaja Naidu Himalayan Zoological Park became the India's first zoo to preserve DNA of snow leopards, red pandas, and Himalayan wolves, aiding wildlife conservation and genetic research. Thank you for watching. To support this channel, like, share, and subscribe.